How to get Facebook dating back. I'm going to tell you how to get Facebook dating back. If you've removed Facebook dating or it's missing, start by opening the Facebook app. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for dating. If you see it, tap it and follow the on screen instructions to set up or reactivate your profile. If the option isn't there, first make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to App Store, check for updates, and install the latest version. Next, try clearing your app cache in your phone settings or even reinstalling Facebook completely. Still missing? Facebook dating might not be available in your region or country, or your account may have been flagged for violating community guidelines. In that case, you can contact Facebook support for help.